If you're thinking about investing in 2026, watch this before you start. If you have $1,000 sitting in your checking account, you aren't saving, you are literally losing money thanks to inflation. It's 2026. The economy has shifted, and the gap between those who hold on to their money and those who use it to make more money is becoming bigger and bigger. If you feel like you're too late to the game or the market is too intimidating, stop. Investing isn't about luck. It's about having a basic system. Today, I'm showing you a very simple way to turn your first $1,000 investment into a wealth building machine. Welcome back to Money Moves HQ. Today, we're breaking down a 3-step investment strategy specifically designed for beginners in 2026. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly which accounts to open, where every single dollar goes, and most importantly, you'll obtain the knowledge to start investment completely by yourself. If you're a beginner, this is your blueprint. First, we have to address why 2026 is a different beast. With interest rates staying elevated, money is no longer easy to access. As a result, investors are placing more value on stable returns, healthy cash flow, and reliable business performance instead of high-risk speculative bets. If you leave your money in a traditional bank account, you're losing money thanks to inflation. Instead, if you treat your money like a worker in a factory, your money will recruit more money to work in your favor, even while you sleep. History proves that the hardest part is simply to start. After that, everything becomes easier. To start, you will put $300 or 30% of your capital into a digital bank's high-yield savings account. Why a digital bank? You may wonder, because digital banks generally have significantly higher interest rates and most of the time don't charge any maintenance fees, while traditional banks have much lower rates and usually charge a monthly or yearly fee. So why put 30% of your portfolio into savings instead of investments? Because the biggest mistake beginners make is investing money they need for the short term. When the market pullbacks, and trust me, it will, you don't want to be forced to sell your positions at a loss just to cover an emergency. Before we move to the wealth engine, I want to hear from you. What's your biggest fear when it comes to investing? Is it a total stock market crash or just the fear of investing in a bad stock that ends up losing you money? Drop a comment down below. I'm replying to as many as possible to help you clear those hurdles. Now for the heavy lifter. $500 or 50% goes into a low-cost S&P 500 index fund or ETF like VOO or SPY. This is your core investment. By buying this, you aren't buying shares of one company. You're buying shares of the 500 largest, most profitable companies in the U.S. In 2026, tech, AI, and healthcare dominate this basket of stocks. Open an account in an investment app like Robinhood or Trading 212, search for VOO, and buy. If you don't feel comfortable investing the full $500 at once, split this into 4 $125 investments for every week of the month. This 50% is your foundation. It's what allows you to sleep at night while the global economy works in your favor. The final $200 is for 1 or 2 alpha plays. This is the higher risk portion of your portfolio. In this 2026 market, we're seeing massive shifts toward technology, AI, and energy. You can put this 20% into 1 or 2 specific companies you've researched or a growth-focused ETF like QQQM or CCHG. This $200 teaches you how to track individual sectors and understand market cycles without risking your entire net worth. This is where you find your returns that beat the market average. Let's recap. $300 for savings, $500 for the foundation, and $200 growth. But here is the secret sauce. The first $1,000 is just the start. The real growth comes from consistent monthly or weekly investments. I will leave a link in the description and in my channel's page so you can start investing with Robinhood and earn a gift of $50 for your first deposit. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It will help more people find this guide. Subscribe to Money Moves HQ for more financial tips so you can start winning in 2026. Now go open a brokerage account and start today. I'll see you in the next one.